Welcome to the SUNNYHEAT video tutorials. This tutorial is about window sensors. What are window sensors? Window sensors determine whether a window is open or closed. If the window is open, SUNNYHEAT lowers the setpoint temperature. If the window is closed, SUNNYHEAT regulates to the normal setpoint temperature. Up to 8 SUNNYHEAT window sensors can be connected to one EcoControl thermostat. Tip: we recommend connecting the window sensors to the EcoControl thermostat first and then mounting them. How do I mount the SUNNYHEAT window sensors on the window? The window sensors work with the help of the enclosed magnets. If the magnet is less than 1.5 centimeters from the window sensor detects the window is closed. If the magnet is further away, the window sensor detects the window is open. The window sensor is mounted accordingly. The window sensor is mounted on the frame of the window sash. The magnet is mounted on the frame of the window or on the adjacent wall. Make sure that the magnet is at the level of the window sensor LED. When the window is closed, the magnet and the window sensor must not be more than 1.5 centimeters apart. After mounting, the window sensor can be tested. The LED of the sensor flashes twice when the window is opened and once when it is closed. If this is the case, the window sensor has been installed correctly and is ready for use. Tip: the window sensor is called window sensor, but it can also be used for doors. Where can I configure the window sensors? The window sensors can be configured in the menu under Sensors, Window Sensors. What is the Activate, Deactivate menu? In the Activate, Deactivate menu, the outside sensor can be activated or deactivated. The window sensors can be activated with the tap on Activate and deactivated with the tap on Deactivate. The selected value is marked with a tick. Pressing the back button once takes you back to the previous menu. What is the setpoint temperature menu? In the setpoint temperature menu, the setpoint temperature for the window sensors is set. If the windows are open, the current setpoint temperature is replaced by this setpoint temperature. The setpoint temperature can be set up with the plus button or down with the minus button. By pressing the confirmation button, the changes are accepted and you return to the previous menu. If you press the back button instead of the confirmation button, you return to the previous menu without saving the changes. What is the Connect menu? In the Connect menu, the window sensors can be connected to the EcoControl thermostat. First, a query appears asking if you want to delete already existing window sensors. If you press the confirmation button, all connected window sensors will be deleted. If you press the Cancel button, the existing window sensors will remain stored. We want to delete the existing window sensors and connect new ones, so we press the confirmation button. The EcoControl thermostat is now waiting to see if SUNNYHEAT window sensors want to connect to it. To connect a window sensor to EcoControl, press and hold the button on the window sensor until the LED flashes. The window sensor is now in service mode for 10 seconds. During this time, press the button on the window sensor again so that a message is sent to the searching EcoControl thermostat. EcoControl then registers the window sensor in the SUNNYHEAT system and indicates that a device has been found. Now the next window sensor can be connected in the same way. By pressing the confirmation button, the found window sensors are accepted and you return to the previous menu. If you press the Cancel button instead of the confirmation button, the found window sensors are not accepted and you return to the previous menu. What is the Display menu? In the Display menu, the connected window sensors are displayed. Here you can see the ID of the window sensors. The ID can also be found on the type plate of the window sensors. Thus you can assign the window sensors in this menu to the real window sensors. By tapping on a window sensor, you enter the menu for this window sensor. What is the Remove menu? This window sensor can be removed in the Remove menu. A confirmation prompt appears asking if you really want to remove the window sensor. With a tap on the confirmation button, the window sensor is removed and you get back to the overview of the window sensors. If you press the cancel button instead of the confirmation button, the window sensor is not removed and you get back to the overview of the window sensors. Pressing the back button several times takes you back to the main display. If the window sensors are activated and connected and the windows are closed, the window closed symbol appears on the main display. If a window is open, the window open symbol appears on the main display. The set point temperature changes to the set point temperature of the window sensors. If the window is closed again, the symbol changes back to the window closed symbol and the set point temperature changes back to the normal set point temperature. In this tutorial, window sensors were activated, connected and a set point temperature was entered. One window sensor was deleted. We have now come to the end of this tutorial. The Cree Systems team says thank you for listening. More information about Sunny Heat is available at sunnyheat.com.